In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create essays using Canva. We'll walk through how to use Canva's Magic Write AI to draft an essay quickly, then get it ready for your design. This is a simple process, and I'll share tips along the way to help you get the best results. Start by going to Canva. Once you're in, look for the text option in the editor. This is where you'll find tools for adding and working with words. Click Text and then select Magic Write. Magic Write is Canva's built-in AI writing assistant. When you open it, you'll see a space where you can describe what you need. Think of this as your prompt box. Now, simply describe the essay you want. Be clear and specific so the AI understands your goal. For example, you could write something like, create an essay about Canva, and you can add helpful context such as the purpose, the tone you prefer, or the audience you're writing for. The more precise and straightforward your description, the more on target the result will be. After you've written your description, hit Enter and give it a moment to generate. You'll see the AI compose the essay for you. Let it finish, and then take a breath before moving on. A quick pause helps you review with a fresh eye. Next, check the essay before adding it to your Canva design. Read it from start to finish and make sure it matches your intent. Look for clarity, flow, and accuracy. If a sentence feels too generic, adjust the wording so it sounds natural and true to your voice. If the tone is too formal or too casual, rephrase parts to better fit your style. Pay attention to transitions and paragraph breaks so the essay is easy to follow when placed in your layout. It's also a good idea to fact-check any claims and ensure the content is original and appropriate for your use. This step protects your credibility and keeps your work consistent with your standards. Finally, consider how the essay will sit in your design. Think about readability, line length, and spacing so the text is comfortable to read on the page. And that's it. Go to Canva, click Text, open Magic Write, describe the essay you want, press Enter, and review the result before adding it to your design. With a clear prompt and a careful check, Magic Write can help you create clean, polished essays in minutes.